Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Today's economic calendar is set to conclude the month of May with two key events: the release of the Canadian GDP report at 2:30 and the JOLTS job openings report out of the USA at 4 o'clock. These Black Star events are poised to create exciting trading opportunities for our fundamental traders during today's session. Make sure to stay until the very end, as we'll be sharing our expert analysis on foreign currencies, indices, and commodities.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the dollar has slipped, but may find its way higher in the near term as investors' focus shifts from the debt ceiling to the upcoming jobs report. A strong employment report this week could solidify expectations of a Federal Reserve rate hike next month, potentially bolstering the US dollar. Economists are forecasting that Friday's data will show the creation of 189,000 new jobs in the US economy for the month of May. Now let's delve into the latest happenings on Wall Street. Stocks closed mixed yesterday, with concerns over US lawmakers opposing the debt ceiling deal putting pressure on the market. However, Nvidia shares experienced a surge, briefly pushing the chip maker's valuation into the exclusive $1 trillion club. The S&P 500 closed flat, but remained near its high level since August 2022. The Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a decline while the Nasdaq rose. Both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq are still on track for monthly gains in May. Shifting our focus to commodities, oil prices took a tumble of over 4% due to concerns about the passage of the US debt ceiling pact and mixed signals from major producers, clouding the supply outlook ahead of the OPEC Plus meeting this weekend. Some hard-right Republican lawmakers expressed opposition to raising the debt ceiling, leading to uncertainties in the world's largest oil-consuming country. However, Democratic President Joe Biden and Republican House of Representatives Speaker Kevin McCarthy remained optimistic about the deal's chances of passing. Lastly, let's discuss gold. The precious metal experienced an upsurge in safe haven demand as several lawmakers from both Republican and Democratic parties expressed discontent with the new debt ceiling bill, indicating potential voting against it in Congress. This sentiment raised concerns about the possibility of a recession. This week, lawmakers will vote on passing the bill to raise the debt ceiling and avert an economic crisis. Now, without further ado, let's proceed to our highly anticipated technical analysis for today. First, we'll examine USD ZAR, followed by the Nasdaq 100, and conclude with crude oil and gold analysis. Starting with USD ZAR, this currency pair is currently trading near the primary resistance level. A break above the resistance, accompanied by a close at 19.85, could trigger a fresh rally, potentially pushing this pair all the way to 20.2. Next, let's shift our attention to the Nasdaq 100 analysis. US Tech has retreated below the primary resistance, and a close below 14,320 could confirm a correction down to 14,200. Moving on to crude oil analysis. We witnessed a break below the diagonal support level yesterday. If we observe a close below 69.1, it could indicate an extended sell-off in this commodity, with potential downside targets around 69.5. And finally, in our gold analysis for today, the yellow metal is currently trading within the primary resistance zone, just below that major diagonal resistance. A break and a close above 1962 could trigger a fresh rally, potentially driving gold prices up to 1980.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the force be with you. Cheers.